Hey, I'm Brooke, and this is the Barbary Leopard rain boot. It's from Chooka. These boots are made with a wonderful rubber. They have a gorgeous shine and a wild print all over. There's a little bit of adjustability at the top so you can narrow the shaft or make it a little bit wider if you like. The lining is very sleek. It feels great to the skin, and because it is basically one piece of rubber for the upper, it's going to help to keep the water out of the boot to keep your feet nice and dry. There is a ton of texture here on the rubber outsole. It's lightweight and super flexible. Look stylish while keeping your feet dry thanks to Chooka.